welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're gonna unbox. I did the Whitesboro Riding Club, and so first we got a big duffel bag. Also, Bougie got a water bottle, and then I'm putting on this jacket. It's this Red Riding Hood. Do y'all hate zippers? And ready? There we go. We're throwing this bad boy on. There's some more. So bougie like that, so bougie. Okay, getting into the bag. I think this is a grooming bag, bro. This has been on my thing, on my bucket list, wish list for a while now. This is what every person needs. See how it works. Bust these bad boys open. Oh my! We're gonna get scissors. I'll be back. Okay. Open sesame. Y'all, this is the nicest purse I've ever owned. Like, oh, y'all, I already have 3 of these. Can never, ever run out of hoof picks, bro. Okay, I think there's different modes. Light, I think this is medium, and then hard. We've got a main brush. Yeah. If it works for my hair, it works for theirs. Bougie, a comb, works for mine, and then last but not least, a squeegee. I've actually needed one of these because after I make him sweat and work, we always squeegee him off, but I've never had it. Like, I used to have a red squeegee, but I don't know what happened to it. So this is the whole. So we've got the main brush. We've got the brushes that actually have a handle on it, bro. That's bougie. I love these, bro. Then another, like pretty much 2 of everything. Another brush. A squeegee. A nice hoop pick. And a comb. Okay, that's, now we organize. So I think all my other stuff, is going to be in the front, or in the, like in this compartment. I've been wanting a grooming thing for a while. So we got put everything like with. So we got the main right there. We got the squeegee. I might put the squeegee inside. And then I need to find a tiny one for my hoof pick. Hoof pick. You know what? I'll put it inside. The inside. Big fat squeegee. trying to escape. Close sesame. And you know, that is my bougie burning bag. I am going to use this bag. Oh, so tough. Okay, we got that out of the way. I got a water bottle. And this is the best part though. It's right thrown off the bag. Perfect. Me? No. You like when you go to radio and stuff, you have to shove your boots in somewhere. But bougie, put your boots in there so it doesn't get anything dirty. Nice bag, bro. 360, 360. All up close, got a cup holder. Like bougie, and then got the logo. And got the whole duffel bag. So yeah, that's all. Bye.